Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create this blue navy smoky eyes. So hopefully by the end of this video, you are ready to create this on your own eyes as well. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. This will remove all the redness, make your eyeshadow more long lasting, and just leave your eyelid with a nice clean canvas for all your eyeshadow. I will be going in with my own Sigma palette that I created together with them. And the first color I'm going to go in with is the color Cottage, which is a matte white shade. And I'm going to use this to kind of highlight underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. The reason I'm doing this because I do feel like it makes the transition from my crease towards my brow look really nice. At first you might not see it, but at the end result it will make a difference. Then I went in with a gel eyeliner, and I actually used the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Eyeliner, which is just a gel eyeliner. And I used a tiny synthetic brush, and I just started blending a little bit of that in the inner corner of the eyelid and at the outer corner. And then I just smeared it all over the eyelid. Then you really want to make sure that you kind of blend off the excess product on a tissue or a towel or wherever you want to smear it on, but you don't want too much product left on your brush once you're going to focus on blending out the edges. You want the edges to be soft. You really want that nice soft and smoky effect around the edges, so make sure you don't have too much product left on your brush anymore. Then I went in with the color 1992, and I started blending this kind of right on top of the outer part of where the eyeliner ends. So I'm kind of gonna use this to kind of smudge out the edges, make it look more softer. I feel like because blue comes kind of close to black, because black, I don't know, if you blend it out sometimes it kind of looks blue, if that makes sense. It's really nice because it really blends into each other, as if you would use like a black to blend it out, but this way it will just give even more of that nice navy undertone, which I'm going for today. And this is gonna look so gorgeous on brown eyes, especially if you have brown eyes, hazel eyes. I'm so jealous because I feel like blue colors, I think they're so beautiful, but I don't feel like they don't accentuate my eye color. But with brown eyes, that's such a beautiful combination. So I would definitely encourage you guys to try it if you do have hazel or brown eyes. So then I went in with the black eyeshadow, and I'm just kind of gonna press this all over the eyelid just to make sure that the gel eyeliner is locked in place and it looks a little bit blacker. So you can apply as much as you want. I just did like a tiny coat, and then I also switched to a tinier brush to kind of get more precise into these corners, because you know sometimes this is a little bit hard. This is the eyeliner that I was using, and I'm also going to use it again to create a line above the lash line. Now you might wonder why you're doing this, because you can't really see it. It kind of fades into the eyeliner that I already applied. But I felt like you can still see kind of my skin peeking through. So I just wanted to make sure that it was as black as possible, close against the lash line. So that's why I just decided to do a line above the lash line. Then once I was doing this, I felt like, let me just go for a wing liner, because I feel like whenever I do a smoky eye, I often just do like a not eyeliner look. So I wanted to switch it up and do go for a wing liner. But this is optional. If you are recreating this and you're not feeling the wing liner, you can definitely skip this, because it will look beautiful without the eyeliner as well. So now I'm gonna kind of clean up the eyeshadow, which you can see underneath the eyeliner, because it looked kind of messy because I wasn't planning to do a wing liner. So you can easily fix that with a little bit of concealer and just smear it right underneath the wing liner. You can also use a tissue to first remove the eyeshadows, but I'm always a little bit lazy, so I just apply the concealer right on top of it. Then I went in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil in the color Graphite, and I'm going to use this for in the waterline. And this is one of my favorite black pencils for the waterline. I feel like I've used it in almost every video, but it's just so good. I just love it. I do feel like with every pencil, you always kind of have to reapply it. But this is so far the best I've tried. There's also another one. It's by Makeup by Mario. I also really like that one, but mine was empty, so I switched to this one, and I really like this one as well. So then I went in with the dark color, and now I'm going to focus on the lower lash line because all the eyeshadows that I have applied on the eyelid, it's done for now. So we're just going to switch to this area. So I'm going to apply quite a lot of the black because I really wanted my lower lash line to be as black as possible. And then I went in with the color 1992 again, and I'm going to use this color to blend out the lower lash line even further. So I didn't want to use too much eyeshadow, so I actually only used the color 1992, the color Levine, which is that matte black color, and I used the color Cottage underneath the brow. But that's the only 3 shades that I used for this eye look. So now I'm going to curl the lashes. I used a little bit of powder underneath the eyes and removed all the fallout. And then I went in with the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, a tiny coat on the upper lashes, and I tried to make my lower lashes as long as possible. I will be going in with false lashes, so I'm not too focused on making my upper lashes very long because I will cover them up with fake lashes anyway. But I do always try to make my lower lashes as long as possible. Then I applied a second layer of that pencil, and then I went in with the House of Lashes in the style Blessings. Such a beautiful lash style. I feel like they suit perfectly with today's eye look. And here you can see the before without lashes, and here you can see the after. Aren't they pretty? I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like it. I hope this video gave you some inspiration. I hope it will encourage you guys to try it as well. Don't be afraid. You can always do it at home if you're not planning to go outside, and just have a good time, do your makeup, feel pretty. You can always wash it away if you don't like it. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Even if you try